Good morning. It's 5 a.m. in the morning and I randomly decided to vlog today. I haven't done one of these in quite literally years and I'm excited. Completely forgot to film. I thought more video kitchen, but the sandwiches ready गरिसक्यौं. यो चाहिँ chicken sandwiches. We also have vegetarian sandwiches and it was just, it's a mess right now, but oh, I'm kind of packed. Oh, look at the pictures of our wedding. Anyways, I have this tray of egg salad sliders and we have a tray and then a lot of things I don't want to explain. I have this basket with sandwiches inside. I have all of the, you know, beach mats and sitting stuff over here. I have my little hat and I have Kushal's hat as well, and we're almost packed. Kushal also got like a tent, by the way, from his friends, so we're also gonna use that. Let me put all of this stuff away. Lucky, के गरेको? यता आऊ, म बान्दिन्छु. Lucky, come here. म बान्दिन्छु, आऊ. त्यो लिएर आऊ. ओ त्यो देऊ न, म बान्दिन्छु. त्यो बान्दिन्छु खै. आज त बीच जाने हो नि त, बीच. Come here. Come here. Come here. Kashto handsome. Handsome boy. Handsome boy. Handsome boy. What's up, honey?
What's up?
He's a little bit shy, don't mind. Egg salad sandwich khao ta? With mozzarella too. Some moz. Yeah. There you go. Oh my god, look at him. Hold on. Is it good? Mayonnaise ta? No. Don't give it. I'm so sorry. Okay, now this is my look. I have a swimsuit and a cover up, and then I'm wearing some accessories, and I have to do my makeup now. Are you planning to get up anytime soon?
We're just doing makeup, so I have plenty of time.
But you have to fit the tent thingy, baby.
I will fit the tent thing. This not taking like a minute to fit.
We'll see about that. Let me do my makeup real quick. And are you ready? Did you wear your...
I will be ready by the time you get your makeup done. I know myself.
Alright. We're cool with that. We're cool. Oh, this will
आइस भयो किन
लाग्दैन लाग्यो लकी नै बस्नु अट्दैन नि राखे हुँदैन त्यो
अट्छ
ए ल अट्यो गुड ओके पर्फेक्ट ढिलो आएर
Let's go.
a night full of fun and the beach. Somebody is sick, has not even eaten nothing. I prepared breakfast. I have the lemon water ready, but this guy is just sleeping.